Hi, Boss Babes, and welcome to my Fempreneur series. I believe this is episode 11. It's been a while since I uploaded. My name is Ashley. You're tuned in to Dollars and Cents Online. And here in this series, we talk about just different things that you can do to boss up. The behind the scenes. I show my inventory for my business to show you all that I am working and building. I give inspiration in this series and we just talk about everything business. So if you're about business, then you're definitely going to like this series. So stay tuned. But today I'm going to have a video where I show you some of my new inventory and some of the things that I have been doing. So I'm going to go ahead and get into it. I'm going to look into my Girl Boss bag and see what I have. So if you haven't visited my site in a couple of months, maybe a month, I don't know, then you haven't seen my highlighters. I have 4 different highlighters right now, considering a 5th, but I don't know, probably maybe later on down the line. I need to get these popping first because they are popping. I just need to get it out there further. So like I said, I have 4 different highlighters and they're called Diamond Dust highlighters. And this baby, which is my pink champagne Diamond Dust, it has more of a pink hue to it. I wish this would cooperate with me. There we go. So pink champagne, let me show you compared to champagne. And I'm going to be out of focus right now because I'm trying to focus on these highlighters. So give me a moment. Okay. So here is pink champagne compared to champagne. So you can definitely see champagne is more of a gold color. Pink champagne has more of a pink hue to it. They're all very gorgeous. You can see swatches on my website and on my Instagram and Facebook. So check them out there. Let me show you the white diamond now that I have it focused a bit more. See, the white diamond is very, very light and more of a beige color. Now, here is topaz, which you're probably going to really love. Look at that. Beautiful. Just look at it swatch, ladies. Like, it's so beautiful. But that is my topaz Diamond Dust. All right, so those are my Diamond Dust. Definitely check them out on Glamourless.com. What else do I have in my bag? Oh, my newest release, just released today. I worked really hard on these. Everything that I show you in my company mostly is something, it has been handmade in some form or extent. I bought these separately, these containers. I felt like they went gorgeously with my brand, very glam, elegant, and things like that. And so that is why I chose them. And I bought my highlighters separately as well. Now, with this is what I released today. This is my Pro Cleanser. It is a face wash, a makeup remover, and a lash cleaner all in one. It is definitely a triple threat. And I have the directions on here, the ingredients, and some tidbits about it. It's oil free, it's pH balanced, it's gentle, and it's vegan friendly. So definitely check that out. Everything that you get from me, make sure you hashtag Goals Dynasty so you can be featured on the website and on Instagram and everything. But I feel like this went very well with my brand. The look of it, I made the labels myself. I bought the bottles separately. I bought the paper for the labels, printed them out from home, put them on here myself. The solution inside, I made it myself. It is a foam dispenser. And so, yeah, you only need 1 or 2 pumps and you can, get your lashes squeaky clean, which is very important for them to last the up to 25 to 30 wears that I tell you that they can last. Keeping them in your lash box as well is very important to making that happen as well. So right now I have the Pro Cleanser on my website separately for you to be able to purchase, but I am going to be coming out with a bundle that's going to include a spoolie as well for you to brush through the lashes. And I feel like this goes with my brand as well very beautifully. The reason why the sets are not out yet because the spoolie is actually not finished. It still has one last piece that I need to do to it, but you also will get a lash brush to help you clean as well. So basically you will take the lashes, and I'll come out with a video as well cleaning some lashes, but you'll take a lash and pump 1 pump of foam onto your lashes, or you can do it onto the back of your hand, and then you will take the brush or the spoolie, whatever you want to do. But I will first probably initially take the brush to get it all throughout the lashes, doing like this on the lashes, going downward to get all that makeup, gunk, oil, and everything out of your lashes. And you would do that on the first lash, and then on the second lash. It will be enough solution from 1 pump for you to do both lashes, but you can do 2 if you would like. And of course you can take your spoolie and brush through them as well. And I put them in this container to make them convenient for you to be able to travel with and to be able to keep them for a longer time, and for sanitation reasons as well, cleanliness. So yes, those will be coming as a bundle soon. Oh, and I don't think you guys have seen my 25mm lashes. I've had those out for quite some time now as well. Let me show you those different styles. So we have Fanfare. Wait a minute. Y'all know how we gotta do this. We gotta put the glitter behind there so y'all can see. So a little bit better. To me, you still can't see as well with the glitter because the glitter is just like glistening so tough that it's like still can't see it very well. Let me see. I need a solid color paper. Of course, I really don't have anything that's solid color right now, but I have this envelope, so I'm gonna put it behind there. So this is Fanfare. Gorgeous, honey. Yes. 25mm, 25mm lashes. Gorgeous, honey. Just gorgeous. Then we have Posh. I love Posh. I love them all. I love them all. But Posh is very nice. It's 25mm. We have what I have on right now, which is a la mode. Look at that. I just love it, honey. And that's what I have on right now. So definitely check those out. I know you ladies will love those. And this is Vogue. So yeah, check them out, ladies. Glamorous.com. Those are my 425mm lash styles that I have out right now. And oh, let me just go ahead and show you guys. So this is how, just in case you guys really don't think that I'm making this stuff myself, I really am. Everything that you see on my website, it is thought out, like, and planned for a while. But this is the empty container this is one of the empty containers without any of my labeling on it or anything yet. And then it comes with this as well, which is the foam pump portion of it, and the top, you put it together, screw it on there, I put my label on there, and that's how I got this. Very, very professional looking. Definitely brand everything. That's very important and key. Getting your name out there, coming off as professional, and just living like, you're a big business already, baby. Let's go ahead and put it out there in the atmosphere. But so that is what I have for today in my Girl Boss bag. My latest goodies that I have not shared with you all. So I will be back with another video, of course, soon, showcasing some of my new inventory. Definitely follow me on Instagram. My name is Glamorous on there. Go to my website, check it out, support your girl, check out my Facebook, and I'm trying to work on building up my Snapchat and being regular on there, and of course getting back on my YouTube grind. So I definitely will see you all soon. I'm probably going to record another video, so if you see me looking the same, don't worry about it, sis. Don't worry about it. But yeah, I gotta get these pumped out for you guys because I feel like I've been neglecting you. But also check out, of course, my Dollars and Cents online Instagram, DNC_online on Twitter, Dollars and Cents online on Snapchat. Check it all out. I'll have it all in a video somewhere throughout this video. If you like my hair, definitely check out my video on that so you can see where I got it from, what's it called, and everything like that. Like I said, my lashes are from my line. I have one a la mode, so definitely check that out. I have on one of my highlighters. I have on, let me turn my light down so you guys can see it a little bit better. But I have on Pink Champagne. I hope it's showing up good. I really can't tell if it is or not, but I hope that it is. Check it out, honey. You will be glowing, I promise you. So that is it for today. Once again, my name is Ashley. You've been tuned in to Dollars and Cents online. Going to support your girl and show me some love. And I will see you all in the next video.